Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Ali from batch 22, class 9D, Vadesseva. So today I want to present you all my work scientific project is development of hydrogen fuel as an effort to reduce air pollution. So uh, this is my scientific work project title is development of hydrogen fuel as an effort to reduce air pollution. Table of content. So there are three sections here. In the first section, introduction, there are the background, the problem statement, objective, and research methods. Second, research and data analysis. Uh, in it, there are tools and material and steps. And then last, the third one is summary and recommendations. There are results, conclusions, and recommendations. So, before we get to the introduction, they are Islamic value that we can take from my scientific project. There are Surat Al-A'raf, verse 56. So the translation is, indeed, Allah mercy is very close to those who do good, and do not cause corruption on earth after it has been created well. Pray to Him with fear, so that you may be more devout and motivated to obey Him, and full of hope for His blessings and the granting of your prayers. What a beautiful verse. Okay, so let's just get into the introduction. So, what is the background of the problem? First, a world that is becoming polluted, and second, the development of hydrogen fuel as a solution for vehicle pollution. So, the problem statement first, is hydrogen effective for production as a motor vehicle fuel? Second, is it possible for hydrogen to become an environmentally friendly fuel in the future? So, the objective first to determine whether hydrogen is effective for production as motor fuel, and second, determine whether hydrogen can be used as an environmentally friendly fuel in the future. Okay, so the research method here is an experiment. The research method used in this paper is to construct an HHO generator and prove its effectiveness by observing the bubbles in the bubbler and detonating them. So let's just get into the result and data analysis. The tools and material. So these are the material that are used here. They are power supply, water filter housing, rubber spacer, 6 mm threaded steel rod, 6 mm nut, potassium hydroxide, on-off cable switch, clamp cable, burning cable, and a clear pipe. And the tools, they are drill, lighter, multitester, scissors, and duct tape. So the steps to construct the metal stacks, there I mean the HHO generator. First, we have to make the hole in the uh cup of the water housing filter, and then second, we have to make mark on the metal stacks. Third, we we have to cut and make hole in the metal stacks. So the results are like here. And then the first step, we have to put the 6 mm nut in the threaded steel rod and put the burning cable. So the metal stacks are on connected, connecting. Yes. And then fifth, the structure are like here. So we have to put the rubber spacer alternatively. So here, the first rubber spacer are on the left side, so the next one must be on the right side. So the connection are stabilized. And six, we have to check the connection between the metal stack, so it doesn't uh, do a short circuit. because it can be dangerous. Next, we have to put the clear pipe into the hole of the cup of the water housing filter, and then we seal them so the gas won't leak. The eighth step, we have to assemble cable, the clamp cable into the power supply so we can uh, use the electricity. And then the ninth step, we assemble it all. Easy, right? And then the summary and conclusions and results. The conclusions: the experiment I conducted went smoothly, but the gas part is still not perfect and stabilization between the water and potassium hydroxide is still needed. And my recommendation are, when designing an iron stack, great care must be taken to separate hydrogen and oxygen to prevent short circuits. And if you want faster results and more bubble, add more catalyst. And then, thank you. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.